Assalamu alaikum, here is Dhanak Hameed and welcome in country news. As we know, Finance Minister Ishaq Dar has proposed a money budget to the National Assembly and then to the Senate. Both the houses were adjourned till today. According to the Mr. Dar, this is unveiled by 175 billion rupees and can stabilize our fiscal deficit as well as the current account deficits. Let's talk about some rates that have been proposed to be implemented in the near future. Under the SRO 598 of May 2022, the government has banned imports of 85 types of items, which include furniture, carpets, dog and cats food, meat, fish, stationery, musical instruments, etc. But Mr. Dar decided to unban that items and impose 25% of GST. Further, 18% of GST has been decided to be implemented on local coal, potassium cohelate, mobile phones valuing $201 to $500 and 25% of the phones valuing above $500. Similarly, 10% of the advance adjustable income tax has been decided to be charged from the persons who are on active taxpayer list and 20% for non-active taxpayer list of the amount paid for social gathering and functions. High inflationary measures have also been proposed to be taken on international air tickets, cements, cigarettes, diesel, petrol, beverages, sugar drinks, etc. Can you think that budget will stabilize our fiscal deficit as well as the current account deficits? If you have any opinion regarding this, kindly drop a comment and then I will discuss on the basis of majority to the public authorities. Thank you.